How to unblock Telegram channels. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So to unblock the Telegram channels, what you can do is just open up the Telegram application on your device and then tap on the three lines at the top left corner. Then tap on settings over here. Now just scroll down and tap on privacy and security. So as you can see over here, there's no specific option for us to unblock the Telegram channels. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back and then tap on the search bar over here and then search for the Nicegram over here. So just search for Nicegram bot. And as you tap on that, you'll be able to see the option of start. So just tap on that, then tap on Nicegram web. As you tap on Nicegram app, you'll be able to see the web version of it. So what you need to do over here is just make sure that you are legal age, that is you're 18 plus. So just toggle that option, and then you just need to toggle on this option of show content that may be sensitive. After that, you'll be able to unblock the Telegram channels. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.